morning.
Good morning, sir.
Shall we start? Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Last class we have started the investment account. Under the investment account we have discussed the how to record for cum dividend purchases. After that we have done example on that. Then we have completed the ex dividend purchase. If you are going for a ex dividend, meaning exclusive dividend or exclusive interest, what are the records to be carried out, and also I have done the clue how to do that. Okay, today we will look at the sales. If there is a sales, today we are going to look at the sales. The sales also there are two arrangements: cum sales or ex sales. If you are using cum dividend basis or interest basis, how to record? Or else we don't like to go for a cum dividend sales. We are going for a exclusive or ex dividend basis. How to record? Those are the things to be discussed. Okay. If you dispose it, if you sell your investment, definitely investment will be decreased. Therefore, investment account is credit, cash account is debit. Simple idea. Whether it is cum dividend or ex dividend or doesn't matter. If the sales occurred, investment account is credit, cash account is debit. If investment purchased, we have recorded investment account is debit, cash account is credit. We have clarified or we have discussed separately for a cum or X what are the records to be carried out. But in this case, the example we will look at later, normal criteria, the normal records to be carried out for the double entry system. Investment account is credit, cash account is debit. Look at here, cash account is debit, investment account is credit. That is common. But when you are using the cum dividend basis, debit cash account, credit the income column, credit the capital column. When you look at the purchase, cash account is credit, debit income column, debit the cost account. Is it okay? Is it okay? Look at the difference between the cum dividend sales and cum dividend purchase. Okay, no? Right. Oh, hey, silent. No sound.
Okay, sir.
Right. Yeah, just you have to cooperate with me. I don't want to tell one university my daughter study. One of the lecturers, he or she asked her, open the video. If you switch off your video, I will put an absent. It is not my methods. I don't want to ask you open the video. I know there is coverage problem is there. You want get ready like a lecture hall, but at least you have to cooperate. Is it okay? Understood? Yes, sir. How much? 2 and 2. Okay, sir. This is 4. Just you have to cooperate that one. You don't want to open. Whether you are coming to the lecture or not, coverage problem doesn't matter. I won't worried about that. If you sit the exam, okay, that's all. If you pass, pass. Poor attendance, very high attendance, that is depend on the administrative work. I am just teaching you, setting the paper, mark all. That's all you have to cooperate. Okay. Just I am asking, understood or not? Yes or no? You are, no, I didn't understand. Just you can still know. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay.
Understood.
Right. Look at here. This is normally disposal. When disposal occurred, you had an investment, you sold investment, therefore you are not entitled to the interest received after every 6 months. That's why we are not going to record. We already sold. Look at here, Ravi company sold 200,000 10% debentures on 1st May 2015 at a price of 96 each 100 rupees at a cum interest basis. Using the cum interest basis, Ravi Limited sold 200,000 worth of the debentures. Interest payable half yearly on 31st March and also 30th September. They are paying the interest not annually, every 6 months, 31st March and 30th September. Assuming that the balance on the debenture account on 1st April 2014, we had 200,000 nominal value at a cost of 180. If you want to sell it, definitely you should have an investment. That's why they are saying opening day you had an investment. On that, out of that, you sold 200 entirely. You are required to show the entries in the investing company. That means Ravi company for the financial year 31st March 2016. The financial year is 31st March 2016, meaning that it started with the 1st April 2015 to 31st March 2016. Within that 1 year accounting period, what are the transactions carried out in investment account? Whether you have a purchase or a sales, or you had the opening balance or you had a closing balance, everything would be recorded within that stipulated time on 1st April 15 to 31st March 2016. Is it okay? Yeah?
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just I want to share my whiteboard. You have a question on that. We look at. Okay. Look at the financial accounting year. They are saying the accounting year. The accounting year, Ravi Limited. Please record this one. There should be 3 column. We know there should be a 3 column. This is half of the investment account. You have to record half. Would be divided 3 column. 1, 2, and also we have another column. This is debit side. This is credit side. I want to write down the name is Ravi Limited. What is that? Our investment account. 10%. You have to write down the investment 10% debentures investment account for the year ended 31st March 2016. We are going to use the what method? Cum sale. Here also we have to have a 3 column. 1 column. Nominal value, we know income column, we have a cost or a capital. The nominal value, income column or a capital. Okay, right. Look at here. What is the information they have given? The Ravi Limited sold 200,000 10% debentures to 15. Therefore, if they want to sell it, assuming that they have given the balance on the debenture on 1st April 2015, that is what? Opening date or a closing date? 1st April 2015, opening day or a closing day?
Opening date.
Opening day, because they have given your record period is 31st March 2016. So I told you 1st April 15 to 31st March 2000. Therefore, I am going to record with that information first. 1st April, you have to write down clearly every date. 1st April 2015, balance brought forward of nominal value 200,000. They are saying cost or a capital is 180. This is the second fara. Second fara saying, assuming that the balance on debenture account on 1st April 2015 200,000 nominal value at a cost of 180. The now first fara saying the entire 200,000 debentures sold on 1st April 2015 at a price of 94. Keep in mind 94 on April. Okay, right. I am writing here, if there is a sale 1st May 2014. If there is a sales, I told you investment account is credit. What account is debit?
Cash account.
Cash account. Therefore, entire 200,000 nominal value sold. One is 100. Therefore, 2,000 they are selling at 90 what? 94.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Therefore, total will be 188. At this point, we have to ask the question whether the company sold the item on cum basis or X basis. What basis?
cum basis.
cum basis. Therefore, we know the company declaring the interest every 31st March and 30th September. The last interest got by the Ravi Limited on when 31st March 2014. Is it okay? The last interest received by the Ravi Limited on 31st March 2014. The Ravi Limited sold on 1st May. Therefore, when you calculate the interest, last class I have given a clue. If you are using the cum method, whether it is purchase or a sales, you have to find out the period for a seller or a old owner. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If you are selling or purchasing ex-dividend basis to calculate the interest, we have to find out the purchase or a new owner. Now look at, we are using the cum method. That is why 31st March he got. April entire month he didn't get. That is why I want to take how many months? 5 months or a 1 month?
1 month.
1 month, because seller multiplied by 10% multiplied by 200,000. How much? I am also using my calculator. 10% multiplied by 1 multiplied by 200,000 divided by 12. How much? 1667?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. 1667. If it is a cum method, 1667, we have to what? We have to what? We have to
Deduct.
deduct. Very good. Cum purchase or a cum sales doesn't matter. We have to deduct 188,000 minus 1667. Therefore, 186,333 is our capital column. Are you okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. I told you, when you deduct this 1667, immediately record in the same page in a not as other page. Are you agree? If you are using the cum purchase, deduct 1667, record in the same site. I told you. Now we are using the cum dividend sales. Therefore, 1887 minus 1677. That amount to be recorded 186,333. The same amount would be recorded this one. Is it okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. All are silent. After that, you are asking the recording. I want to record and I want to send you. No? Right. All are expecting everything, but you are not cooperate with me. Right. Only one. I think Ijaz or somebody. Right. You have more than 100. Why all are silent? Otherwise, tell me. I can change the lecture. I can send you assistant lecture. I will be taking the lecture to final year. Good for you. Okay, 188,677 recorded credit side, and I have recorded. Is there any transaction in your investment account? No. We have recorded first paragraph. I have recorded second paragraph. You are required to show journal entry for investing company. That's all. Therefore, after 1st May, we have come across the dead period of which period? After missed period, after 31st March, we have recorded for the interest, that is Ravi Limited recorded last. Between 31st March and 30th September, 1st May, we had a transaction, sold 200,000 investment, that is why we have recorded. Is there any transaction June, July, August, September? Is there? No?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Now look at 30th September, our interest rate. Do we want to record the interest for a 30th September? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, because we entirely 200,000 sold. That is why there is no transaction this one. After 30th September, we have a 31st March 2016. For that also, we are not going to record. Is it okay?
Okay,
Right,
sir.
right. Now we are going to look at here the entire period. We have to finalize. I am going to finalize the ledger, how to record it. Look at here, 200,000 here 200,000. Therefore, our balance entire 200,000 sold. Therefore, there is no balance at all. Is it okay? Right. Second column investment, we have 1667 would be recorded. 1600 would be recorded. 1667 that would be transferred to what is statement? Income
Income statement.
statement as a what income?
Investment.
Investment income. Finished off. Now look at the capital column 180,000 debit side, 186,000 credit side. First we have to record 186 triple three. Therefore 186,000 double three. There is a gap of 6,333. That also to be transferred to what is statement?
Income statement.
Income statement. That is what? Gain on sale of what? Sale of what?
Investment.
Look at 180,000 is our cost. We sold to 186. Therefore, we sold more than our cost or less than our cost or equal to our cost. We sold more than our cost or less than our cost.
More than a cost.
More than. Therefore, our cost 180. We sold for 86. Therefore, 6,333 is our total income. That is the income, not a investment income. That is the income gain on sale of the investment. Due to the sale, we got extra. There is a no sales. Therefore, there is no gain of 6,333. But if there is a sale or not, but you will be receiving the investment, that is called investment income, dividend or interest. Are you okay? Different between these two?
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Right, okay. I will ask any question. Our period is 1st April 2015, Ravi period, end of 31st March 2016. During this period, Ravi owner for how many months?
1 month.
Yes, 1 month. That is why during the period Ravi owner 1 month, say Mohan owner for 11 months. Mohan will be recorded for 11 months, but we are interested only Ravi's ledger. We are interested on Ravi's ledger. That is why we have recorded 1 month. 1 month interest is 1,667. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Alright, that's right. Yeah, everything I have explained you in the cum dividend basis. You have entitled only 1 month, recorded 1 month, 1,666, finished off 6,333. That is the income due to the disposal. That is the income due to the disposal of the investment. Okay. Understood the cum dividend?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Alright, I have done this example. Look at this example. I have finished off. Now we will move to the ex dividend method. This is also common like a ex dividend purchase. Only thing is all the records carried out in the debit side of the investment. Now we have to record all the records in the what side of the investment? Credit side of the investment, because that is the disposal. Where there is a disposal or a sales, investment account is credit, cash account is debit. What we have followed there, look at here, credit capital column, debit income column, debit cash column. Earlier, on the cum method we have looked at separate. This is the X method. That is why we have only one credit. The same amount will be recorded in the two credit. Okay, now on the receipts of the income we have to record debit and the credit. Right. Look at the question number 4. Ravi Company Limited sold 200,000 10% debentures on the same day, 1st May 2015, at a price of 94 each 100 rupees at cum interest basis. Interest payable can you make it as a X basis? Sorry. Can you make it as a X? Please do a correction. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. X basis. Interest payable this and this period. Assuming that balance debentures on whole 200,000. Nominal value at a cost of 190. You are required to show entries in the investing company ledger. Therefore, this is what method we want to look at?
Ex dividend.
Ex dividend method. Already question number 3 we have look at question number 3, that is cum dividend basis. Okay, please change the question also. Ravi company sold 200 at 10 percentage, 94, 800 at X interest basis. Please change that one. Okay. X dividend or interest sales method. We want to have a 6 column. First column nominal, second column income, third column capital, nominal value, income column capital. This is the debit side of the investment account, this is the credit side of the investment account. 10 percentage debentures investment account of the Ravi Limited for the year ended 31st March 2016 or 15. Which year? 15 or a 16? Year ended when?
16.
16. Therefore, they have 1st April 2015 balance brought forward of 200,000 nominal value. There is no income. 180,000 is the cost. They sold on 1st May 2015. Therefore, here we have to write down immediately nominal value 200 will be recorded. 2000 multiplied by 94, 188,000. Is it okay?
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Now we have to look at whether Ravi Limited applied cum dividend basis or a ex dividend basis. Ravi Limited used the ex dividend basis. That is why we have to find out the period for which owner. That is the first question. You have to ask the question simple. Which owner? Old owner or a new owner? Or a purchasing
owner.
or a seller period? New owner. New owner, the interest date period is 31st and also 30th September. After 1st May, how many months entitled for a new owner? May full, June full, July full, August full, September full. How many months?
5 minutes.
5 months divided by 12. Our rate is 10 percentage multiplied by our period, our total 200. How much is that? $8,333. Yes?
Yes, sir.
How
Yes,
much?
sir.
8,333. Is it okay? 5 divided by 12 multiplied by 10 percentage multiplied by 200,000. How much is that?
33.
5 divided by 12 multiplied by 10 percentage multiplied by 200,000 divided by. What is the answer? Calculate. Use the calculator. What is the answer?
Yes, sir. Answer is correct.
Right. 8,332. What is that? Look at here. The cum method I want to deduct. X method, but I want to do that.
It is, sir.
Deduct.
It is, sir.
At that.
At 196,333. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. After adding, so I will repeat again. If you are following the cum dividend method, we have to deduct and record in the same method. If you are going for a X method, add. After adding the entire amount, we are not going to record the income column of the same side. We want to record the income column of the what side?
Opposite side.
Opposite side, I am writing the date 1/5/2015 cash. Investment account debit, cash account is debit, and also investment account is credit 196. Are you okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. All right. After that, we have the period of 30th September 2015. That is what date? Our interest rate. Are you okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. If you are using the ex dividend purchases, I told you immediately following period you are not entitled to record the investment. Can you remember that?
Yes, sir.
Right. Here we are using the ex interest basis. If you purchase, I told you you cannot record under the X. Here, if you sell, you are not entitled for an interest anyway. But if you are using the ex dividend basis, immediately following period only we have to record. That is why we have to record entire 6 months. Keep in mind, 12 multiplied by 10 percentage multiplied by this one. How much is that?
10,000.
10,000 would be recorded in this one. Are you okay now? But cum dividend I did not record. Normally cum is okay. But if you are using the ex dividend basis, that is a simple simple exception you have. If you sold, you cannot record. If you purchase, you cannot record. If you sell, you can record. Are you okay?
Okay.
Right. Now next one. After 30th September, there is no record. 30th March also we are going to finalize the our ledger. Look at the our ledger. 200 debit, 200 credit. There is no balance. 10,000 this one. Here also 10,000. Look at here. 1,667 would be transferred to income statement as a what? As a what?
Investment in
Investment income. Next one. Here 180. Here 196. 196 333. 196 333. Here 16,333. That also to be transferred to income statement. This is called gain on sale disposal. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Look at here again. I will ask the same question. 1/4/2015 to 31st March 2015. During this 12 month, Ravi, how many month owner of this document?
1 month.
1 month. Therefore, we have transferred the 1 month interest only, right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Right, sir.
If you are not recorded this 10,000, you will be recorded 8,000. You will finish off 833 like this. Here also you will be record 833. You will record 8,310 income statement as a what?
Plus.
Loss. But it is wrong. That is why immediately following period we have recorded 10,000. That is why 10,000 we report it. Therefore already 8,000 1,667 is the income to be transferred to Ravi company. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir, understood.
We have done our question number 3 and 4. Question number 3 and 4 we have finished off. Look at here, next one, partial disposal. Partial disposal is partly disposed the company. Now look at the partial disposal. We had Ravi Limited had 200,000. Entire 200,000 sold by the Ravi Limited. Is there anything balance?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No. What do you call? Entire item sold or partly item or partially sold?
Entire item sold.
entire item sold, therefore there is no partial item. But here, if you are going to have a partial disposal or a part disposal, the difficulty is how much our cost. Already 200,000, our cost is 180, we sold for a 196, therefore 16,000 is the profit. Simply we can calculate. But half of that sold, or a 50 percentage of that, or a 25 percentage sold on, the cost is very difficult to purchase the be very difficult to calculate the cost, because that can be purchased in the step 50,000 sold, purchase for a 60,000, another 50,000 purchase for a 55, another 25,000 purchase for a 33, like that there will be the completion. That's why we have to use the two method, first in first out method or a weighted average cost method, where there is a partial disposal. Look at here, where there is a partial disposal, we have to use the two method. The fact that are the same, question number 4, but the sale of investment on 1st June 2015 is only 50,000 nominal value debentures were sold. Therefore, you have to find out this period. If you want to find out, we can find out the cost of the sales item on the weighted average cost method or a FIFO method. These are the two methods applicable. Look at the question number 5. An investing company made the following investment, date also given, nominal value also given. Eventually, the company sold 200,000 of its holding. Required to calculate the cost of the item sold. Look at here. We have first time 100, second 50, 150, third 200, 350, fourth also 150. Altogether 500,000 worth of the investment we have. Out of that, the company sold 200,000. Problem is, we know the cost of 500,000. We don't know the cost of the 200. We can find out the cost. Investment account suggested that if there is a partial disposal, go for a FIFO method, or else go for a weighted average cost method. Are you okay? Are you okay?
So your screen share is not visible, sir.
Ah, I see. What about now? Okay.
No, sir.
Oh, what is the problem? New share. This one?
Okay.
No, sir.
No.
Not visible. Oh, not visible.
New share. What about this one?
No, sir.
Cum dividend interest basis cannot see. On the screen, what is there? Whiteboard is there.
Yes, sir. Whiteboard is here.
Oh, new share. Investment. Now,
Okay.
now. Can you see this one? Partial disposal.
No, sir.
Why?
No, sir.
Why?
Yes, sir.
What is that? Cancel. Zoom meeting. New share. This is the document. I share. Okay. Let's. Okay.
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir. No.
Oh.
Now I guess.
Now okay, now partial disposal. Look at the question. This is the question number 6. The investing company made the following investment, date and the nominal value, cost also is there. The total investment 150, 250, 600. Altogether we have a total 600. On that, the company did not sell entire 600. They are decided to sell only 200. That is why we have to find out the cost of the item sold to recognize whether we have a profit or a loss under the method. There are two methods suggested, weighted average cost method or a FIFO method. Are you okay now? Now can you see this one?
Okay, sir.
Alright.
Yes.
the investing company, first you want to write down everything, new share, whiteboard. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
Right, I'm going to record here the date, amount, and also cost. The date given, the first date, 1st June 196, 1st June, 1st June, 1st June, the nominal value, I will write down the nominal value, 100,000, purchase for how much?
96,000.
96,000. Can you tell me the next date?
6 July.
8 July.
No, sir. 6 July.
I want to see both. No, I cannot see the question paper and whiteboard also. Otherwise, 1st July, how much?
15,000.
50,000. Cost is
49,000.
49,000. Next day,
1st August.
1st August,
200,000.
200,000 nominal,
210,000.
210,
Yes, sir.
210,000. Next one,
1st September.
okay,
150,000.
okay,
144,000.
140,000. That's all.
44,000.
144. That's all. Only 4.
Yes.
All right. Look at the cost. Look at the nominal. 150, 2, 3, 500,000 is the nominal value. We have to find out the total. How much is that? 96. 96, 49, 210, and also 144. 499.
Yes, sir.
499. 499 is the total. 499,000 is the total. If you are using the weighted average cost method, total 499,000 for 500,000 multiplied by we need for how much? 200 no? 200. Therefore, answer is 499 minus 500 multiplied by 200. How much is that? 199,600.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will go for other method is FIFO method. First in first out method. We need 200,000. Therefore, first 100,000 we purchase for a 96. Okay. Second 50,000 also we purchase for a 49,000. Therefore, we have a sort of how much? Another 50.
50,000.
Yeah, we purchase 200 for a 220. Therefore, we can divide by that one. 210 divided by 200 multiplied by 50. That is the third 50. Third 50 we sold purchase for a 52,500. Aggregation of these three will be 96 plus 49 plus 52.5, 197,500 is the cost for under the FIFO method. 199,600 is the cost for under the weighted average cost method. If there is a partial disposal or partly dispose of a document of the investment, how to record on that? That has been recorded. Therefore, how to record our cost. Okay, understood?
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
Alright.
can you explain again, sir, FIFO method?
The FIFO method, we want to take the 200,000. The first 100,000 we purchased 96, no doubt, FIFO. The second item 50,000, that also no doubt I can take 49. We have sort of 50,000 because 150 we can take easily FIFO. The third item, we purchase 200,000 for a 210. We need we need only 50,000. That is why 50,000 to be calculated. How we have calculated? 210 divided by 200 multiplied by 50, 52,500. Therefore, total will be 52,500. At that part, 197,500. Yeah. Okay now?
No, okay.
Alright. Look at here, question number 7. Question number 7. Jaipur Investment Limited hold 1,015% debentures of 100 rupees each in ABC Limited on January 1st April 2015 at a cost of 1.5. Interest payable 30th June and 31st December each year. On 1st May 2015, 500 debentures are purchased on cum dividend basis. On November 2015, 600 debentures are sold ex-dividend basis, and interest on this and that. Therefore, cum dividend, prepare investment account valuing the holding on 31st March 2000, applying FIFO method. Okay, here we have a we have a purchase, we have a sales. Together we have to do all the investment account. Can you go through this one? Is it okay? Okay, can you do this one? We have an investment purchase, we have opening balance, we have a sales, we want to do the working. Okay, can you do that? I have done separately. Separately purchase, separately sales, separately purchase, separately sales, 4 method. This is the combination of that. You want to do that. Okay? Right, because all are silent, that's why I am also not going to take much time. I will want to cover up the syllabus. Asking understood, I cannot cover up the syllabus. We have leasing, we have company accounts. Okay, this is your part. Do the 7, don't ask any question. Okay. Next one, bonus issue. The bonus share issue is merely to increase the number of shares in an issue without increasing the value of the shares. Bonus issue, you have studied the company account. Without paying anything, we are getting from the company for our holding. That is called bonus issue. If we are having a 200 shares, the company decided to every 100 we are issuing a 1 share, you will be received 2 share as a bonus. You don't want to pay anything. That is called bonus issue. Okay, right. Next one, right issue. This is the right issue. There are issue of the shares to existing shareholders at a lower price. At a lower price. At a lower price. Look at here. Where is that? At a lower price. Right issue is the low price issue that will be given for priority, will be given by the company to existing shareholders. Say you are the shareholders, I am the ABC PLC, I have decided to issue the right issue. I will ask, you want the shares? You are saying no. Then you can reject, or you can accept, or you can recommend the third party. Those are the 3 options you have. Look at here. The right issue will be given the shareholders option exercise. The option is either you can buy the shares under the right issue, or to sell his right to another party. You can buy or you can sell to another party. Otherwise, where the rights are sold to third party, you have to record. There are 3 options. You can accept. If you have a money, you can buy from the company. Or you are saying, I don't have a money, don't give me, reject. Or else you can sell to third party. That also option we have. That is the right issue. You have to understand. Just you read these 2 questions. Question number 8, you want to do that. Question number 7 also you want to do that. Okay, this is, we have mixed it with that, how to record for this one. Okay, just you have to do the question number 7. I have mixed purchase and the sales. Bonus issue, you have to understand, simply record the bonus issue. Right issue is also given the 3 options. You read this question, read this part. 3 options, you can buy or you can reject and you can sell. Okay, this is the mixed question. I will do the question number 8 in the next class. You read this part, we will be comfortable for do the question number 6. 8. Okay, with that I am going to wind up. We will have a class on day after tomorrow. I will do the question number exercise number 8. You want to do the question number 7. You try. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right.